The Philips Sonicare 1100 is a great sonic electric toothbrush and it's one of my personal everyday toothbrushes too. In my review of the brush, one downside which I mentioned was the lack of replacement brush heads, which in this case is the C1, and sadly that seems unavailable at least in India. I mean, it's still there but looks like the imported ones. Then there was the C2 brush head, which actually is for the more expensive models, so we are left with a third party option, and that is the Maycreate Brush Heads. So how do they compare with first party ones when it comes to cleaning, build quality? Let's find out in this video. So when you place an order, you get 2 packs, each containing 4, so a total of 8 brush heads. When you pick them up, weight wise they feel exactly the same. The design is the same, the bristle color is slightly darker on the Maycreate one, the middle bristle portion is slightly more pronounced on the Maycreate. There is Philips branding on the first party one, which is missing on the Maycreate, and there's a silver ring in the inner part of the Philips one. The Maycreate one also comes with a brush cover, which is a nice little touch. And finally we come to the most important part of this brush head, its cleaning performance. The plaque disclosing agent disclosed quite a few interesting things. 1. The first party brush head still cleans like a champ. 2. The Maycreate one wasn't so far behind. In fact, its cleaning performance was much better than what I expected it to do, except that I found it a little aggressive on my teeth and gums. There is a difference between the two, but only when you compare both side by side. The more I use the Maycreate brush heads, the more I got comfortable with it. But yes, there is a slight difference between the two when it comes to its cleaning performance and the way it interacts with the teeth and gums. But the advantages of the original brush head get nullified when you check its pricing. The first party C1 and C2 are firstly unavailable most of the time, and even if they are priced on the higher side. Whereas I got these 8 brush heads at rupees 590, which is insane value for money. So if you own a Philips Sonicare 1100 or you plan to buy one soon, the Maycreate ones are great brush head alternatives. Amazing for its price, gets the job done, just not the best out there. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, happy brushing.